to make presentation or objects animate in 2024. This is the latest version on Google Slides. If this video helps, make sure you like and subscribe. All right, so what you have to do is pick the object you want to animate. So I got two pictures right here. So I'm gonna click on the first one, and you have to right click, and you have to click on animate. There should be the option right here. Just click on animate. Now, once you click on that, you have a couple of options. So you have on up here, you have on click, after previous, with previous. So me, I'm gonna click on zoom in. Look, it zooms in like that. Now for this one, we're gonna animate again. So you just have to cut this out. Right click again. You have to click on animate. Now for this one, I'm gonna put zoom out. Click on play. The first one, this one just zooms out. And that's how you animate objects on Google Slides in 2024. If this video helps, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you have any help. Thank you for watching.